I supposed to answer this? The pressure and volume units don't match the R value in the ideal gas law. Welcome to Curly Carbocation. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Why don't the units match? Because in real life, when you're solving problems, units are not going to come to you in the most ideal ways. As my professor likes to say, you're gonna get velocities in furlongs per fortnight, 1/8 mile per 2 weeks. Why are we using American units? The rest of the world uses SI. And as my other professor says, the reason you're using American units is because you're American. You need to learn how to use American units. Congress actually tried to enact the United States using metric, but it wasn't ever done. Now, your algebra skills and unit conversion is not what's being tested. It's your confidence in making these conversions. So now what do you do when the units don't match? You either have to use a completely different R value altogether, convert the units within the R value, or convert units in the problem. Now, if the temperature is reported in Fahrenheit and your R value has Celsius, I would convert Fahrenheit to Celsius first because I do not convert between R values using temperature very confidently. Notice my lack of confidence allows me to use a different method. I use a few resources to find a different R value, but what I use is this book, Elementary Principles of Chemical Processes, 3rd edition by Felder and Rousseau from 2005. And these are just a few of them. Most commonly, we have 8.314 meters cubed Pascal per mole Kelvin and 0.08206 liters atmosphere per mole Kelvin. Yes, I have those memorized. But look, we also have one with liters, millimeters mercury, and feet cube PSI pound mole Rankine. Go find another video explaining degrees Rankine if you don't know what that is. So whether you convert the units given in the problem or you use a different R value, the math will still work out. And if it doesn't, you're doing something wrong. Now, if you need help with unit conversions, there are plenty of videos online for that. I will not be making one of them anytime soon. Look, I'm grateful for all your views, but that's not my focus, so go to someone else for unit conversions. If this video helped you, please give me a like and I will see you next time. Bye!